I started Anomalie because I couldn't find my perfect wedding dress. And now, about 3 years later, we've had almost 500,000 brides sign up and create an account and a sketch and just start designing their dress with Anomalie.
I was someone who fell to the trying on way too many dresses. So then it became just an issue of how could I possibly narrow it down, and nothing is exactly right. I just wasn't getting that butterfly feeling. When I heard about Anomalie from a friend and this idea of being able to pull from all the different elements that just called to me when I tried on different dresses, it was just kind of this aha moment for me.
Our mission is not to just sell set designs of wedding dresses. We're here to connect with women and revolutionize fit and the manufacturing of custom garments.